Steel Dragon Tools scours the U.S. searching for used Ridgid 300 machines to refurbish. Each 300 machine is then completely torn down. Each part is thoroughly cleaned and sandblasted. As you can see, there is a major difference before and after. Next in the reconditioning process, each machine has the old worn bearings and drive shaft replaced with new ones. When looking at other refurbished machines, this process is skipped, resulting in a Ridgid 300 with 10 to 40-year-old worn shaft and bearings. After the bearings are pressed into the case, they are honed together so the drive shaft spins straight and free. This step could be the most important to ensure the pipe and conduit spins perpendicular to the die head. These steps ensure longer motor life and perfect threads. Each part is then primered and painted before assembly. After the paint has dried, the drive shaft and drive ring are installed and greased. Then the front speed chuck jaws and jaw inserts are assembled and greased. After that, the Ridgid speed chuck, ring gear, and drive shaft are all put together. Now it's time for the insides of the machine. The switch box is then prepped with the power cord and the cord to the foot pedal. If you have a Ridgid 300 without a foot pedal, the machine was made prior to 1975. Any machines that Steel Dragon Tools refurbishes, the standard B294 foot pedal is added to ensure safety. Now that the electrical is done, the 300 motor can now be installed into the ring gear. Once the motor is installed, we can now flip over the Ridgid 300 and install the rear centering assembly. Now the machine is almost done. Each machine is then tested. A standard 311 carriage is inserted on the support arms and a piece of standard black pipe is threaded to make sure each machine threads properly before leaving the warehouse. You can feel confident with Steel Dragon Tools Reconditioned Ridgid 300. It comes with a 1-year warranty against defects.